Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my gun range. Got a pretty cool little video for y'all today. And today we have some firework testing here. So I just recently stopped at a really cool fireworks stand, and I found a box of these. I've never seen something like this before. And the guy literally told me, he said, "Hey, that thing is an explosive." And I started laughing. I'm like, "What?" And he said, "No, like literally that thing is an explosive." So that is pretty crazy to hear. He had only 2 boxes of this stuff, so I made sure to buy what was left. I never heard of a firework being called an explosive. So we will definitely see if this truly is an explosive. I'm not going to wear no hearing protection, so I'm going to get the full effect of it. Just got a coffee can I'm going to throw it into right here. We usually use this to scoop up dog food and everything, but so Mom, if you're wondering why we got one coffee can missing, I'm going to use it for a test. Okay, so next we have this camo smoke right here. Now, anybody who knows me will tell you my most favorite firework in the world is smoke. I mean, if I was made out of money and money was just unlimited, oh man, I could not even tell y'all how many smoke grenades I would buy just to throw them and watch them. Like, I love smoke. It's my most favorite thing ever. I don't know what it is, but I freaking love smoke. So this is gonna be the first one. We're gonna go ahead and test this bad boy out first here and just kind of see what the effects are. Let me see here. Set this on here. I guess we'll set the camera on this. So get this little test real quick. See how long this puppy lasts. All right. Wow. Cool, man. Yeah, I want to say that's about 45 seconds. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. So, we got the part that everybody's been waiting for. We're going to try out this so-called explosive, supposedly, and see if it really is what it claims to be. And I got no hearing protection on. Oh, that's it? Wow. That was it. Well, that was kind of lame. I mean, the guy said it was one big, you know, explosive. Well, I have to say, myth is busted. No, that was more like, 10 black cats, I would have to say, probably in a row. That's not what the guy claimed it was. But anyway, I still hope that y'all guys enjoyed this video. And as always, y'all stay safe out there. This is the Wolf. I'm signing out.